Okay, so letter C. Now we're going to just follow the same steps as before. We're going to use the inverse operations of adding 5. We're going to subtract 5 on either side. And we get x squared equals negative 5. And then we're going to square root both sides. And I'm going to be left with x. Now 5. Can't take the square root of 5 because it's prime. But we also can't take the square root of 5 because it's negative. And in our directions, it says if we have a negative radicand, we write no real solution or write imaginary solutions. So we end up with x equals plus or minus square root of negative 5 as our answer. But it's actually no real solutions. Or you could say 2 imaginary solutions if you really wanted to be fancy. And now it is your turn to try it.